It's gotta work. I made a stop at a bank, deposit some money, and of course, my luck. I broke my door handle. The fun thing about this, fun fact, Lawn Dog fun fact, is that that's not the first time I've broken that handle. I've actually replaced that handle. Not an expensive part, not a long time to do it. Still annoying. Can I catch a break? That's all I want. I just want to not have to spend some time fixing something. Last time I did temporarily fix it by stuffing two 4-inch wood screws in there and just using them as a lever. It actually works for a long time. I only stopped out of embarrassment that my door handle is screws rather than needing to replace it. I just decided to replace it because it was so cheap and I was making an order for other parts anyway. So I've rambled about this too long. My door handle broke. So we're gonna fix my broke ass door handle. That's the broken handle. That's the new handle. That's all I ever wanted. We're back. I ordered this the night that it broke. Took a couple days to get in. Worth it, like $6. Fix your door handles. It's not always that easy. Not every model is that easy, but that one is easy. Just do it.
Lisa's having surgery today on her shoulder. Should be an easy one, outpatient.
Don't put your hand in the toilet. It's just after 7 o'clock. Finally leaving the hospital. Long day sitting in the hospital. But Lisa's shoulder should be getting better then, which is exciting. I guess I don't know where to begin. I am currently driving to one of my many forms of employment. You know I like to. Doing that, and it's been a rough week. The lovely Lisa had surgery on her right shoulder. She had what is known as a subacromial impingement, which means that the shoulder bone none of this really matters. You don't really care. I'm not here to educate you on how shoulder surgeries work. All I'm here to do is to inform you, Lisa had surgery on her right shoulder. It's been painful. But she's been doing pretty good. She's tough. You know. No stranger going under the knife. And she's been dramatically better for those things. So she's doing good and still trying to shuck and jive and get through and live life, and things are looking up. Things are definitely looking better.
This is my buddy Justin's car. He parked right next to me. I don't think he knew it. I'll leave him a note.
This is so good.
Taking out the garbage. You know. Because why wouldn't we be doing weird things? It's mostly how we operate. Catching some tree. We're gonna slam on the brakes, I can see it. What a gentleman, Junes.
I got a lot of tire marks in my yard. I've noticed. Well, mine's in one designated area.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying you. I'm just saying that it seems like nobody can keep their car on my driveway. It's a long driveway, I get it, but... yeah, dude.
You smacked by the branch?
No.
So trying to.
Are you really judging me? I got 30 vlogs up, dude, and you're gonna judge me for your video now?
Tell you vlog about your addiction.
Which one?
I have an addiction.
First off, that's rude. I think plenty of people have an addiction to clean filling.
2017, there ain't no reason to hide your addiction.
You know, just two brothers taking out the trash late at night on the compound.
When you have to drive up the driveway to fucking empty your trash.
You don't have to. I walk into the curb all the time.
Jenny Craig, I ain't get my aerobics in it.
Trying to pick up cars and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brothers things.
Mm-hmm. Like I was telling him, I'm like, you know, I lost a couple pounds, but I was nervous because I've been eating like shit. I've been eating like Oreos and stuff like that. He goes, tell me more about your cream addiction. And I'm like, fuck you.
That's you need the cream machine.
The cream, that's what I need, the cream machine, absolutely. The cream machine. Here's that cream machine. I have an addiction. For me, it's cool to be creating again. And it's also cool that maybe in 10 years I can watch these and relive, you know, this documentation of like our relationship. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Why the fuck is my dad working 3 jobs?
What is wrong with that guy?
Everybody says he's so smart, and all he did was work jobs that didn't pay very well. He ain't that smart.
Why is he talking to his phone?